Happy Memorial Day!
Happy Memorial Day!
We're working in the garden.
Yeah, we
We'll
are.
show you what we've done.
Yeah,
Here's the garden. Mom, Dad, Trevor. We have our raspberry line right here.
Okay, hold the line, raspberries. All right.
Hold the line. Then we have two little herb gardens / raspberry gardens. Then we have some trellises
That glow in the dark?
that glow in the, yeah, they have lights on them, which is very fun. We're gonna put down this black, like fabric.
Yeah, landscaping.
So that way
Landscaping
the chickens
fabric.
don't eat it.
And then we have all these, you can't even hardly see them. These tomato cages that we're gonna put up around the tomatoes.
I am a tomato.
Okay,
You
so if
just
Trevor
kinda-
was a tomato,
You just kind of put the cage around it.
Trevor.
Oh, it's stuck on me.
Yeah, I'm like, you're making me nervous.
Why? I could live in here.
Stick your
Try
arms
to
out.
come-
You're now tomato
Just stick my
man.
arms out the side. Try to come at me, birds. Wait, what? Or tomato? Or why
Chickens?
do tomatoes cages?
Oh,
They have
it's to
cages
help
they
them
can grow
stand
around.
up.
Oh, well, look at how I'm standing now.
You're like that one dwarf that gets stuck in a
In
the
his
barrel.
barrel, in the
Yeah.
Hobbit. That's hilarious.
Now let's see you try to get out.
I can do it. I can do it. I just kind of want to sit here like this. This is a great Halloween costume, in case y'all are looking for ideas. You just get really sunburned and then put this around you and you're a cherry tomato.
So our main concern is that we don't know how to keep the chickens out. So we'll let you know what we decide to do. Trevor made it out.
Basket.
All right, I need you two over here.
Okay, we're needed. Zoe, you're so cute, but Mom's gonna water you.
That's really cute. She's awesome.
Come here. Come here. Okay, I'll bring my toy. Nope.
Oh, too far.
I think she's too hot.
Do you want me to
Do
let
you
him
need
in?
to go inside? Yeah.
I'm gonna let him in through the Come on, dog.
Oh, good girl. Let's go. Let's go. I love those tippy ears. Come on, babe. Go on in. Let's go.
Come here, Lily.
Aw,
She's like, I don't want to
good girl.
See ya, girl.
This is what we have so far. A dancing man-child. So we got one row of fabric, and then this is what was left over from that row, and this is what's left over from last year.
Nothing.
So we put those down, so we have this, like, what, 5 feet?
No one can say we're not frugal.
Yeah, and
It's probably
then,
6 feet. I could probably lay down on it.
okay.
And I'm 6'2".
And we're gonna go buy some plants. We have a bunch of starter plants. And we're gonna go get some more plants and this black fabric. I don't know, I wasn't around when we had this black fabric,
Oh, really?
so I've never had a garden with the fabric down.
Oh,
I'm
where
hoping
you
it
at?
makes just like a really big difference, because it's a pine.
Oh, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah. I'll vouch for the black
It
fabric.
Gucci?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, so now we're putting down tomato cages and we're gonna plant tomatoes.
Lettuce for Lauren.
Oh gosh. Okay, this is,
Planted any right now, and we're late.
how many
Lettuce season's
tomatoes?
over.
Well,
How
when
many
would you have
tomatoes?
planted it? How many tomatoes have we planted, Mom?
I thought there were 12.
There's 12.
12 tomatoes, 2 peppers so far.
12.
And we're going to do a lot more peppers.
Yep. Okay, I don't know if you can see. If I get close, they will all stand up.
Stop being so cute.
But all the bucks are under the little house, and Phelan is in the back. He's got his head down. Phelan's a little buckling that we're keeping for a friend. You can't see him, but trust me, he's back there and it's adorable. Yeah, Trevor, catch that chicken.
Okay, watch this. No.
No. All right,
I
tomato
got rid of
cages are up.
Well, they're almost all up.
There's Mom.
3 more.
There's Trevor. And okay, I lied. We have 3 more, but basically up. And then this is what we have so far for the chickens.
Yeah, let's go show Noah, what's
Okay, so we're staggering our corn. So we planted 3 rows this week, and we'll plant 3 more in 2 weeks. So that way all the corn doesn't come on all at once. But yeah, we've cut this chicken wire that someone gave us, and we've just wrapped it around. It's only like 3 feet tall, so we'll see. I literally just saw a chicken fly up to our 7-foot fences and over. So
we're gonna find out.
we're basically being like, it's extra work to dig
Yeah.
at this dirt. You want to dig at all the other
Over
dirt.
here.
So we're hoping that that's what happens. And the sun has finally gone behind a cloud for the first time
Really nice.
all day. I mean, look at the cloud behind us. Look at the
It's
sky.
really pretty outside.
So pretty. Oh, that's the first breeze too.
And it's really nice.
Oh, we're almost done.
Thank goodness.
Beautiful irises. They're Mom's pride and joy. Aren't they, Mom?
Yes, they're my pride and joy.
Pride and joy.
Sorry, Trevor. You're not the pride and joy anymore.
Dang it, I lost it.
These ones are cool. I like the two-toned colored ones. What are we doing, guys?
We are making memories. Making memories.
Okay, we're now out in the barn watching a visiting goat. Yep. We're observing the deed being done.
Matrimony.
Okay, we're out here watching these two get it on. The end. Okay, now we are just out here sitting. We're making sure this breeding happens because there's a doe that is visiting with us that is being studded, or Mr. Stunning is being studded out to this doe. The end. This is like my 12th take trying to say what's happening, and it's very awkward. A little bit of the wooing that's going on. We got Mr. Stunning and Madeline. Oh yeah, he's liking what he's smelling. You better watch, this is gonna be your job.
He said okay.
Yeah, I did, cute Poco. Okay, now we wait. And now we wait. Fascinating.
That's what's happening.
Oh, she
I feel like
pooped?
she prefers a bigger guy, but that's not.
She wants Snoopy? Oh yeah, she keeps going over there to look at Snoopy.
And that's why she's not keen on him.
Oh, that's
He's too little. She prefers a large man.
But that's not on her.
Lauren
agenda.
understands.
I understand. I don't like little guys either.
She's a lot of girl to handle.
Yeah, so we got 1 breeding in. We like to see 3.
I think she was done with him.
She was done.
Kill
She
him.
was not. I tried to try holding her. Like, nope, nothing happening.
Fed her animal crackers.
Yeah.
What more of a date night can you want?
Yeah. Okay, this is what we're gonna say about that.
Yeah.
All right,
I
bye.
am from the sun itself. This is
Wow,
what I,
Trevor.
This is what I, yeah, and this is
There
also
we
what
go.
well, what I thought I found earlier was a dead chicken, but turns out heads and tails can look the same sometimes.
So, this chicken is sitting on all these eggs, and we think she's broody.
He's getting better.
Yeah. So, we're gonna go in and do a float test to make sure none of them. Well, we don't have a rooster, Mom.
No, they might be rock tended.
Oh, I was thinking, she was thinking they were fertilized. I'm like, we don't even have a rooster anymore. We're gonna have 20 babies.
That's so funny.
No, I guess you can do the float test to see if they're rotten. Yeah, I guess you don't float test for babies. I don't know what
It's
I'm
like, I
talking
didn't know
about. I am a beginner with chickens, okay? I was very proud of myself. I picked her up and she pecked me, and I did flinch a tiny bit, but I still did it.
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah, Dad's gonna lose it. He comes up here every day to look for
10,
him.
11.
Because we've gone for almost a week of only getting 7 or 8 eggs.
13, 14, 15, 16,
So she must have just been hiding up here, and we just never
17,
saw her.
18.
And she's one of the black mambas, which we have 3 of. So I just always figure that I've seen her and that she's been
19,
out.
20,
20 eggs. Oh my gosh.
21, 22,
Ooh,
23.
23 eggs.
Delicious.
Oh man. You ready?
Yeah.
Trevor, show them.
Whoa, where were they?
Guess how many there are?
2 dozen?
Almost. There's 23.
Yeah.
Where were they?
They were up in the horse hay. One of the black mampas was just sitting like in a little square in between some hay bales.
So she was like down in the hay.
Yeah. And then I saw an egg roll out from under her, and so I was like, we gotta get these eggs because I have a feeling that there's quite a few. And then Lauren moved her because I'm too scared, and then these are all here.
Oh my goodness. How did I miss them? I looked up there multiple times.
We didn't know she was up there even.
I looked multiple times on that side.
Oh, she's broody too because she's got, like, she's missing a lot of hair under her belly. Feathers, and she's kind of skinny.
Wow.
So glad we found them.
Are those
So we're gonna set
good
these
or
off to
they
the
bad?
side, and Mom's gonna find out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to float them.